Good morning. Welcome to another time. I'm going to be working on the cabin today, so come and join me. Well, before I can work on the cabin, I have to wait for my Home Depot order to come. And today is a busy day, so I may not get to the cabin. I have an order coming from Home Depot, the siding for the cabin, and then I have the refrigerator repairman is showing up today to fix our refrigerator that's been out. Look at all these cats. They're just so cute. I am sorry. I get sidetracked easy. But the refrigerator repairman is coming. Our fridge has been out for a month. We have a hay delivery, and we have several boxes coming in the mail, and a UPS will be coming, as well as the mail delivering several boxes today. So anyway, it's a busy day, and I'm going to run over to the shop over here, and I'm going to show you around the shop. Let's go ahead and go in and meet my husband.
Hi, honey.
Anyway, so this is the other side of the shop where we keep some of our equipment, like our rototiller and our finish mower and our other tractor with the auger equipment. So that's our bush hog and our pond scoop, and that's an old planter that we don't use. Of course, the livestock trailer and some IBC totes, and this is really our boneyard area where we come to look for scrap. Well, here we go with the fridge repair person, and I'm not going to film him. I'm just filming. I have Azzy back here in the bedroom because of the repairman, and I'm not letting him out with the puppies yet because he's a little too rough.
I'm saying it shouldn't take that long to do something like that.
No, it shouldn't. They do that on purpose. You know why they do that? Because if they end up having to replace it, then they're hoping somebody will go out and buy one before.
Set that over there.
Over where?
Over there between the truck and the building.
Okay. I'll let you talk to him. My husband was fearful, thought I ordered the bundle of pallet of shingles, but I didn't. Where'd your brothers go? Mama, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, there you are. You're right here. This little one is Chips. Chips is one of my favorites. Scrawny little kitty cat. We're going to do the asphalt panel, corrugated panel roofing on the cabin. What? Oh, you're a pretty little kitty. Yes, you are. No, 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 no. Well, I'm hoping he can get loaded as fast as he got unloaded, because Walmart just said that they're about 2 minutes away, so I don't want, she may have to come in and drive across the grass. Well, he's already on there. That was pretty fast. And I don't see Walmart out there yet. So I'll go out here and catch UPS. So Walmart and UPS and the hay. I'm not sure when the hay's coming. Sorry for the noise. There's UPS.
Yeah, the day that the invasion.
So here is Walmart. And she pulled down. Oh my goodness. She did not pull in there with that semi. But she did. So she's probably regretting that. Okay, here she is. Well, as you can see, we've had UPS come and drop off some packages. Then we had the post office come and drop off some packages. And yeah, so it's one thing after another. So there's our hay. We got 50 bales, and so now we have to get this all stacked. And we don't have to worry about rain because it's going to be horrible heat wave and dry and awful. So let me tell you, the day was long. Got done with the animals, and now I'm going to be gathering up everything that I need to start working on this cabin. So let me get that done and I'll get right back with you. Well, I have everything gathered up. I just put it all in a wagon. I've got my sawhorses and a guide, the compressor, everything else that I think I'm going to need. Drill, saw, whatever. No, don't chew on that. And you see I have a lot of help. I don't know where Mama and the other puppy is, but that's okay. Because I certainly don't need him out here helping me. Don't chew on my wood. Please don't chew on my wood. Please. I gave you a stick to chew on. Go find your other stick. No, don't chew on my wood. Oh, okay. Does anyone need a Great Pyrenees puppy? If you do, let me know. We're in the western central Kentucky area, so if you live within even 4 hours of me, let me know. Well, this has been a busy, busy day. Let me tell you, we had the refrigerator repair guy. He came out to fix the refrigerator. Then we had Home Depot. Then we had UPS. And then we had Walmart. And then the hay came. So I didn't film me putting it up, but I have got this much done on the cabin. Let me step back so you can see. It's just so hot out here, and my phone just heats up too fast. So I've got that much of the foam board siding, foam board that'll go underneath the siding, and I've got part of it taped. I can only work on the top part because the bottom part I have to take these off, and I can't have the puppies out because they'll go under the house, under the cabin. I've got that much done. And I have all those cuts. I have to have another ladder. I'm just using a step stool. But I'm calling it a day. I'm tired. It's been a long, hard day. It's hot. And I'll pick you up tomorrow. You have a blessed one.